Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems part 19. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral x to the power 4x to the power 4 dx by x square plus 1. How can solve this problem? Okay, write denominator x square plus 1 as it is. In numerator x to the power 4. This can be written as x square whole square. 1 subtraction and adding. Okay. So this written as a square by using a square minus b square formula. A minus b into a plus b plus 1. What is the denominator value? X square plus 1. Divide to each function. Now this value integral x square plus 1 get cancelled. So x square minus 1 dx plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, this will be integral x square cube by 3 minus 1 dx value x. This formula we get tan inverse x. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. How can solve this problem? Okay. We have x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 factors. X square plus 1 minus x into x square plus 1 plus x. These factors. Now substitute x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 place in right. X square plus 1 minus x into x square plus 1 plus x dx. This whole divided by x square plus x plus 1. In this one factor get cancelled. Now I say that integral x square dx plus 1 dx minus x dx. So this will be x cube by 3 plus 1 dx value x minus x square by 2 plus 3. Okay. Okay, now explain these factors also. So by using a minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square. So this will be by using a plus b whole square formula. A square means x square whole square x to the power 4 plus b square plus 2ab minus x square. X to the power 4 plus 1, 2x square minus x square value plus x square. Okay. Therefore, x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x square. These factors are x square plus 1 minus x and x square plus 1 plus x. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x to the power 8 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 dx by x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. This is same as question number 2. We have x to the power 8 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 factors. Okay, this can be written as x to the power 4 plus 1 minus x square into x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, x to the power 8 plus x to the power 4 plus 1. These factors are x to the power 4 plus 1 minus x square into x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x square. This whole divided by, so denominator value x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now, one value get cancelled. Okay, now I can say that x to the power 4 dx plus next 1 dx. Next x square function is there, x square dx. So x to the power 4. This formula x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. 1 dx. We get x. Because integration derivative get cancelled. X square integration x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3. So this is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x to the power 6 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, how can solve this problem? Okay, x to the power 6 plus 1. we have x to the power 6 plus 1 factors. This can be written as x square whole cube plus 1 cube. So x to the power 6, this can be written as x square whole cube by using a cube plus b cube formula. We have a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. In this, where a place in x square, b place in 1 substitute. X square plus 1 into x square whole square, x to the power 4 plus b square minus ab. So a plus b into a square, x square whole square, x to the power 4 plus b square minus ab. Okay, now x to the power 6 plus 1. This can be written as x square plus 1 into x to the power 4 plus 1 minus x square dx. This whole divided by the denominator x square plus 1. 1 x square plus 1 get cancelled. Now this will be x to the power 4 dx, next function 1 dx minus x square dx. Integral x to the power 4. Okay, this is going to be x to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Okay, integral 1 dx, this would be x. X square integration x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3. This is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral root x by x plus 1 dx. So this type of problems, by using substitution method, let us take root x is equal to t. Let us take root x equal to t. Now squaring on both sides, x is equal to t square. Okay. So root x equal to t. Now derivative with respect to x on both sides. The derivative of root x, we get 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, dx by, where root x value t. So dx by 2t equal to dt. Therefore, dx is equal to 2t dt. So dx value, we got it 2t dt. Now, root x, this root expression, we should write t. Dx value, we got it 2t dt by x plus 1, where x value t square plus 1. Okay, in this two constant, t into t square by t square plus 1 dt. Okay, in denominator plus 1 is there. Okay, one adding 1 and subtraction 1. Now two constant. So by using separate division method, t square plus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1. T square plus 1 by t square plus 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1. This will be t square plus 1 get cancelled, 1 dt. 1 dt value t. This formula is tan inverse t. So 2 times of where t place in, we should write root x minus tan inverse of root x. In the place of t, we should write root x. This is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by 1 plus e to the power x. Okay. So in this e to the power x, this e to the power x can be written as 1 by e to the power minus x. Okay. Integral dx by 1 plus 1 by e to the power minus x. Let us do LCM. What is LCM? E to the power minus x is LCM. E to the power minus x plus 1 by e to the power minus x. This can be written as e to the power minus x multiply with dx by 1 plus e to the power minus x. So let us take denominator value t. So let us take 1 plus e to the power minus x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of e to the power minus x into derivative of minus x minus 1 into dx equal to dt. Therefore, e to the power minus x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay. Now, So what is the statement? This is the statement. E to the power minus x dx by 1 plus e to the power minus x. If denominator is t, then numerator will be minus dt. So minus 1 constant, integral dt by t, we get log t plus c. This is equal to minus of log, in the place of t, we should write 1 plus e to the power minus x. Let us go to the next problem. Integral root x dx by under root a cube minus x cube. Okay. Integral root x dx by under root a cube minus x cube. This x cube can be written as x power 3 by 2 whole square. X power 3 by 2 whole square. This is x cube. So let us take x power 3 by 2 equal to t. X power 3 by 2 equal to t. Now derivative on both sides, because this derivative is there in numerator. So x power 3 by 2 derivative 3 by 2 times of x by 2, x power 3 by 2 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1 formula into dx equal to dt. This is nothing but x power 1 by 2. So root x dx equal to 2 dt by 3. Okay. Now we get integral. So root x dx place in right 2 dt by 3 into under root a cube. This can be written as a power 3 by 2 whole square minus this is t square, where x power 3 by 2 place in right t square. So this is in the form of integral dx by root over a square minus x square. This formula is sin inverse of x by a. What is the formula? Sin inverse of x by a, where a place in a power 3 by 2 and x place in t substitute in that formula. So 2 by 3 constant, where a place in a power 3 by 2, x place in t. Formula is sin inverse of x by a, t by a power 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 times of sin inverse, where t place in, we should write x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 by a power 3 by 2 plus 3. So this will be 2 by 3 times of sin inverse x by a power 3 by 2. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x to the power 4 minus 1 dx by x square plus 4. Okay. The denominator having x square plus 4. Now, in numerator x to the power 4, this x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square minus 1. That minus 1 can be written as minus 4 square plus 15. So minus 16 plus 15 minus 1. Okay. By using separate division method, integral x square whole square minus 4 square by right denominator dx. Next term 15. 15 by right denominator. 15 dx by x square plus 4. So in this, by using a square minus b square formula, we have a minus b into a plus b, where a place in x square, b place in 4, right? A square, x square minus 4 into x square plus 4. This whole divided by x square plus 4. 15 constant dx by x square plus 4. This 4 written as 2 square. Now I say that x square plus 4 get cancelled. Okay. Integral x square dx. Integral x square dx minus 4 dx, 4 into 1 dx plus 15 into, we have one formula, integral dx by x square plus a square. This will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So by using that formula, where a value 2, okay, 1 by a, 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is answer. Sorry. X square integration x cube by 3 plus minus 4 into integral 1 dx value x plus 15 by 2 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem, integral dx by x cube plus x. Okay, this type of problems, in denominator x cube take out common. Integral dx by 1 x cube take out common, in this 1 plus x by x cube. Is it clear? So integral dx by x cube into 1 x get cancelled, 1 by x square. So let us take 1 plus 1 by x square equal to t. So this derivative on both sides. So derivative of 1 0, derivative of 1 by x square, we get minus 2 by x cube. Dx is equal to dt. Now dx by x cube value, therefore dx by x cube equal to dt by minus 2. dt by minus 2. Now integral dx by x cube. This dx by x cube relation, we should write dt by minus 2 into 1 plus 1 by x square, this place is right t. So minus 1 by 2 constant, integral dt by t formula log t plus c. So minus 1 by 2 into log of, in the place of t we should write 1 plus 1 by x square. So this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem, integral x plus 9 dx by x cube plus 9x. Okay, integral x plus 9 dx by, in denominator 1 x take out common, remaining term x square plus 9. Is it clear? Okay, now integral x plus 9. So x plus, so denominator x square term is also there. So 1 x square adding and subtraction in numerator. So denominator write as it is, x into x square plus 9. Okay. Now by using individual division, like x by x into x square plus 9, x square plus 9 by x into x square plus 9 minus x square by x into x square plus 9, x dx by x into x square plus 9. Next term x square plus 9 by x into x square plus 9. Next term x square dx by x into x square plus 9. In this one x get cancelled, x square plus 9 get cancelled, in this x get cancelled. This 9, so 9 can be written as 3 square. Integral dx by x square plus a square. This is in the form of integral dx by x square plus a square. This formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, where a value 3. Okay, this would be 1 by 3 tan inverse of x by 3. Where a value 1 by, where a place in 3. So 1 by 3 tan inverse of x by 3. This is integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x, we got it log x. Plus, sorry, minus integral x dx by x square plus 9. Okay, so let us take x square plus 9 equal to t. Or direct formula is there, integral f dash x dx by f of x. This will be log f of x. Log f of x plus c. Okay, x square, derivative of x square is 2x. But 2 divide and multiply. The derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 9 0. If denominator derivative is 2x, so this is let us take denominator is f of x, then numerator will be f dash x. So according to formula log f of x. So this will be 1 by 3 times of tan inverse of x by 3 plus log x minus 1 by 2 times of, if denominator is f of x, then numerator will be f dash x dx. So what is the formula? Integral f dash x dx by f of x, this will be log f of x. So this is log where f of expression x square plus 9 plus 3. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. And remaining problems I will explain on next class.